Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 robot vacuum. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Robot Vacuum. The Robot Vacuum Smart Mop Cleaner is a great all-in-one cleaning solution for busy homes. With strong 3800 PA suction, it easily picks up dust, hair, and debris, while the mopping function leaves floors looking fresh. The app and voice control make operation simple and hands-free, and the auto-charging feature ensures it's always ready to work. It cleans corners efficiently and navigates smoothly around furniture. A reliable, convenient, and time-saving robotic vacuum for everyday home cleaning. Number 2. Robot Vacuum. The Leafin M2's Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and smart cleaning solution for any home. With an impressive 10,000 pascal suction, it easily handles dust, pet hair, and debris on all floor types. The laser navigation and mapping ensure accurate, efficient cleaning paths, while PSD obstacle avoidance prevents bumps and tangles. Its automatic dust station adds true convenience, reducing manual emptying. Overall, it's a reliable, high-performance robot vacuum that delivers excellent value and hassle-free cleaning. Number 3. Robot Vacuum. The Leafin M3 Max Robot Vacuum is a powerful and convenient cleaning solution for busy homes. Its impressive 20,000 pascal suction easily handles dust, hair, and debris, while the anti-tangle brushes prevent jams for smooth operation. The dual spinning mop delivers thorough floor cleaning, and the auto mop washing feature keeps maintenance hassle-free. Smart navigation ensures better coverage, making it ideal for households with pets or children. A reliable, efficient robot that keeps floors spotless with minimal effort. Number 4. Robot Vacuum. The Aber X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a smart, efficient cleaning companion for any home. Its advanced laser navigation system delivers accurate mapping and smooth movement, while support for multiple floor maps makes it ideal for multi-level houses. The zone cleaning feature lets you target specific areas, and restricted area settings help avoid sensitive spots. On carpets, the suction performance is impressive, providing a thorough deep clean. Overall, it's a reliable, user-friendly robot vacuum with great value. Number 5. Robot Vacuum. The 2025 Xiaomi Robot 5 Pro is an impressive smart sweeping and mopping machine that delivers efficient, hands-free cleaning. Its upgraded navigation ensures precise room mapping, while powerful suction picks up dust and debris with ease. The intelligent mopping system leaves floors spotless without streaks. With app control, scheduling, and voice assistant support, it fits perfectly into a modern smart home. Overall, it's a reliable, feature-rich cleaner that saves time and keeps your home consistently clean. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.